Hey there, ever had a situation where someone owes you money, a business refused to refund you, or a service you paid for turned out to be awful? You might think taking legal action is too complicated or expensive, but that's where small claims courts come in. It's a straightforward, affordable way to settle disputes, and you don't need a lawyer. In this video, I'll explain what the small claims court is, how it works, and when you can use it. Let's get started. So, what is small claims court? Small claims court is a simple legal process for everyday disputes where the amount of money involved is relatively small. Instead of going through a long and expensive lawsuit, you can use this process to claim up to £10,000 in England and Wales. It's handled within the county court, but don't worry, it's nothing like those dramatic courtroom scenes on TV. Most cases are handled online or in a quick hearing, and you usually don't need a solicitor. Here are some common small claims cases. You paid for a service, but they did a terrible job. A neighbour damaged your property and won't cover the cost. You're a freelancer or business and a client hasn't paid your invoice. It's a great option for recovering unpaid money, getting refunds for faulty products, or sorting out disputes over services. How much can you claim? For most cases, the maximum you can claim is £10,000. However, for personal injury claims or housing disrepair disputes, the limit is usually £1,000, and these type of cases often involve more complex legal requirements. If your claim is about money owed, for example an unpaid invoice, a loan you haven't been repaid, or a refund that a company refuses to give you, the process is fairly straightforward. And that's where platforms like Casecraft AI can help. Instead of dealing with the paperwork and legal jargon yourself, Casecraft AI makes filing a small claim simple. You can submit your claim online, track its progress, and manage everything in one place without the hassle. So, why bother with small claims courts instead of going through a full-on lawsuit? Simple. It's cheaper, faster, and way less stressful. It's more affordable. Court fees are much lower than in bigger cases, and you don't need a lawyer, which saves you a fortune in legal costs. It's quicker. A full lawsuit can take months or even years. But small claims cases move much faster, often getting resolved in a few weeks or months. It's easier. The process is designed for regular people, not legal experts, so you don't need to understand complicated legal terms or procedures. If someone owes you money, or you've been treated unfairly, small claims court could be your best option. In our next video, we'll talk about the different types of cases you can bring. Don't forget to check the links below for more info. See you next time.